So what we have additional to the kit, the Purge kit, is the TurboTornado. And what this is a fantastic item used for cleaning condensate lines. Onto the angled port or the Schrader port side of the hose, the outlet of the blowgun goes onto the hose. Take our other hose, connect it to the inlet of the blowgun. Open up our tank. We want to set a regulator at approximately 50 psi, or just a little bit under. I like it a little bit under. And you can see what that happens is, when we blow this up, that'll seal the PVC and allow a stream of nitrogen to come out to pressurize, to blow any slime or anything that's inside this condensate line. Insert the TurboTornado into your condensate line and blow your line clear. Usually 3 or 4 or 5 seconds worth. Make sure that you're clear coming out of your condensate line, and you're done.